Hey YouTubers, I don't know if you can see that. That's supposed to be my TV turned on. This is going to be just a little tip. Saves people a lot of money. Okay, watch this. Now you see this little icon here. This will bring up whatever. So it says, see, everything's supposed to be working. Alright. Well, I click on OK for the YouTube. Click launch. Nothing happens. Okay, so we go back. Click live TV. Nothing happens. Try the channel button. Nothing happens. Now here's something I learned. Turn around. You unplug your TV set. Bear with me because I can barely see here. I have vision problems nowadays. Okay, so there's the plug. I unplug it. Wait, I don't know, 10 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 9, 1010. And then you plug it back in. This seems to work for me. There we go, we got the icon came up. Part it, and the picture's back. So, because of our northern latitude, this country is warming at there you go. So, that's my tip for saving you some money. Yeah, so I don't know if I'm doing any copyright break laws, whatever there. But anyways, that's the trick and tip for saving people money. If you got a TV that acts like that. I've been doing this now for, I don't know, a year. Okay, so anyways, go check me out at Treasure Hunting with Robert. And this is where I'm into coin hunting and so forth. Whew. Okay. Oh, I gotta sign into my computer here, guys. So. Alright. Help if I turn the keyboard on. Okay. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures with Treasure Hunting with Rob. Thank you.